I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Guy Bloch. He is the CEO at Bringg. Guy, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me, Judy.
Thank you. So now, Guy, tell me about Bringg. What's your mission?
Bringg is a delivery management platform and network, and we made it a mission to democratize last mile and make what today is available to the Goliath of online, the convenient, the cost-effective, the fast, the reliable delivery, the experience of shipping millions of packages to millions of customers from stores, from warehouses, from pickup points, micro-fulfillment centers, using your drivers, using third-party drivers, on-demand, scheduled. We made all of that accessible, usable, and valuable to every brand so they can offer exceptional customer experience. 83% of online customers today expect a wide variety of options and speed and cost-effective deliveries, but also to do that in an optimized way so we can reduce the cost. We serve over 800 global brands around the world, from restaurants to grocers to retail on all of its flavors, logistic companies and field service companies, and we help each and every one of them pick up, delivery, and return their merchandise.
All right, so Guy, tell me, how does Bringg's delivery hub and Bringg on Salesforce help bridge the gaps between fulfillment operations and also the consumer experience?
It's a great question because we look at the delivery world as an economy with forces of demand and forces of supply of drivers, the people that actually do the delivery. We see them merging on a digital platform. So you have access to the network and you have the technology, the platform itself to get the most out of the network. That's exactly what the Delivery Hub does. It gives you access to hundreds of third-party partners, so you can do same-day delivery, next-day standard shipping, as well as return. And in high-density areas where it makes no sense to call third parties so many times a day, we also offer internal fleet management capabilities to our customers. So Delivery Hub is our network, the delivery management platform. It's the technology that gets the most out of the platform.
Mm-hmm. Now, your road offering enables organizations to manage their internal fleets and optimize the last mile delivery experience for drivers, dispatchers, and customers. Do you have an example of how this innovation has helped a customer?
Absolutely. We see that in retail and we see that in groceries. Groceries alone, they had a significant increase since COVID, year over year, double-digit growth in their online business, and their need to serve the customers where, how, and when they want actually force them to look not only on third parties, but force them to look also on insourcing the drivers and do some of that in-house. A great example is Asda and Coop, two large grocers in UK today, delivering to their customers with third parties, either the gig economy or standard shipping, but also using that with their own drivers. Another great example is AutoZone, Auto Parts. Their mission was to deliver auto parts to mechanic shops faster than the pizza. With thousands of stores everywhere in the US, they have the ability to lean on third parties to do the actual deliveries, but also build their own internal fleet in order to maximize the utilization of their internal fleet.
Okay. And finally, Guy, tell me, how has the integration of AI into your products impacted the profit margin and environmental footprint for businesses?
Our philosophy is that when you digitize and you connect every step of the last mile, then the whole idea of orchestration, optimization, and automation of the last mile is just a data game. And if it's a data game, machine learning and AI are two capabilities that allows us to extract the most value out of the data. A great example of a product that we just launched to the market and will be available to everyone else beginning of 2024 is AI-driven slotting capabilities connected into the checkout. So on one end, you expose to your customers so many ways that they can receive their package, but at the same time, you keep calibrate the utilization of your internal resources And by that, find the balance between creating exceptional customer experience, but in a reduced operational cost. Just that capability alone helped us stretch the customers' drop-offs per hour, and we see customers reaching, early adopters reaching 4-5 drop-offs an hour, where in normal life, without the advanced technology, they can maybe max at 1 or 2 deliveries per hour.
All right, well, Guy, wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you so much.